Your router suddenly shows a red light, websites stop loading, and every device in the house loses internet at the same time. With Vodafone Broadband, a red connection light usually means the router cannot establish a proper internet link with the network. Sometimes the issue appears after a power outage, while other times it happens because of loose cables, service interruptions, or router sync problems. You may notice the Wi Fi signal still appears on your phone, but there's no actual internet access behind it. In many cases, the problem can be fixed without replacing the router. Before assuming the broadband line is completely unused, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore your internet connection. Restart the Vodafone router and wait for it to fully boot up. 2. Check all broadband and power cables for loose connections. 3. Make sure the internet cable is connected firmly to the correct port. 4. Wait several minutes to see if the router reconnects automatically. 5. Test the internet on another device to confirm the issue affects all devices. 6. Reset the router if the red light remains after restarting. 7. Check for local Vodafone service outages if the connection still fails.